Heard it was your birthday today, so from the bottom of my mythical heart, I want you to know that you're the only one who's been sweet from the start.
Sweet from the start. A year older, but you still look young. So for your birthday, I hope it's an indescribably sweet one.
Happy birthday, yeah, yeah.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. May God bless you. May God bless you. Happy birthday, dear Sadie. Love you, baby. Love you. Take care. You are a champ of our family. Yes, no, Sadie? Yes, you are one of our favorite sisters. Take care of yourself. May Allah bless you for many more years to come. Take care, baby. Love you. Bye.
Happy birthday, Sadie. May Allah bless you with lots of happiness in your life and good health and prosperous whatever work you're doing. May Allah give you lots of prosperous in it, and may all your dreams come true, and love you so much, so much, and convey my salams to Abdul Rahman, and have a good day, have a lovely day, enjoy yourself, sis. Love you so much. Bye. Allah Hafiz. Love you.
Hi Sadie, my super sweet, loving, caring little sister. Here's wishing you an incredibly special day filled with love, happiness, peace, joy. May the coming year be awesome too. Partha, Muskan, join in with me in wishing you a very, very happy birthday. And yes, loads of love to you.
Happy birthday, Sadie Appa. You are a very great and lovely person. Love you, miss you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Sanjay Dutt.
Wish you very happy birthday, Sadie. You're such a nice and very sweet girl. You have looked after your parents so much, and whenever you came to Pune, you looked after us also. May Allah bless you always. Have a good time. Enjoy your birthday. Khuda Hafiz.
Assalamualaikum Sadie. First of all, wish you a very, 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 very happy birthday, and may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala make it a very blessed birthday, and may you witness many, many, many such more, along with Rahman, and that too happily, healthily, and peacefully. Ameen, Ameen, Summa Ameen. I would like to say about you, there are no words to describe you, Sadie, really. You are one of the most loving, caring, concerned, and very jovial, and very, very good daughter of our family. Whenever it is concerned about help or anything with anybody, you are always there first to help out anybody in any situation. And you are a very, very, very creative person. And I always love your company. I always love your talks, your company, and your smile, your beautiful smile, just like Sushmita Sen. Whenever I see Sushmita Sen, I remember you, and when I see you, I remember Sushmita Sen. So you are Miss Universe. That's all. And there are no more words to describe for you. I'm less of words to describe. You can understand my love for you. I always love you, darling. Love you.
Assalamu alaikum, Sadie. A very happy birthday. May Allah bless you with lots of happiness in life, a good health. Take care of yourself and of Danish. Lots of love from Ibrahim, me, and Maz and Tez. Have a lovely day. Love you, beta. Bye. Allah Hafiz.
Hey Sadia, hi!
Happy birthday to you. God bless you, my friend. You have a lovely birthday ahead. God bless you always and give you all the happiness that you deserve. Take care. Love you. Bye.
Assalamu alaikum Sadia Appa. Firstly, wish you many happy returns of the day. May Allah bless you with a long worthy life filled with happiness, love, success, prosperity, and many children to come. Ameen, summa ameen, summa ameen. And secondly, talking about you, I don't think I have enough time because there is a lot to talk about you, about your qualities. You are such a wonderful sister, and I'm so lucky to have you, to know you as a person. Such a talented person, always been an inspiration right from my school days. I don't think there is any field that is left untapped by you. You are like jack of all trades and trying to master all. And I love you. I wish you all the happiness in this world. May you get all the fruits for the patience you have sustained. Thank you. Thank you very much for always being so sweet and caring and being in touch always with us. Thank you so much. Love you.
Sadie, happy birthday to you. Assalamu alaikum. Have a great day. May Allah bless you with lots of peace and happiness. Enjoy your day. Inshallah Hafiz.
Assalamu alaikum Sadia Appa. A very happy birthday. May Allah bless you with a lot of happiness. You are a champ. Stay blessed. Stay fit. Do your workouts. You look good doing workouts. That's it. Assalamu alaikum.
Happy birthday Sadima ji. Thank you so much for everything you have done. We love you a lot. You have taken care of us since we were kids and we have grown up so big now. We love you so much. Once again, happy birthday Sadima ji.
Assalamu alaikum Sadima ji. Wish you a very happy birthday. May Allah bless you with good health, happiness, blessings and prosperity. May Allah keep you safe, sounded and healthy. Yeah. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday Sadi Khala. May Allah bless you and give whatever you want in your life. Thank you so much for everything. Love you. You are the best. And once again, happy birthday.
Assalamu alaikum Sadi Khala. Many happy returns of the day. May Allah bless you with with happiness and success. Ameen.
Hi Sadia. Many happy returns of the day, dear. May Allah bless you with loads of happiness, good health and joy.
Happy birthday Sadia Mami. Wish you many happy returns of the day. May your year goes happy and safe and healthy.
Good morning, ma'am. This is Bhaskar Sriram. Hope this is the first time you're seeing me. I wish you a very happy birthday. God bless you and success in all your endeavors. Thank you.
Hi, many returns of the day. Happy birthday. May God bless you with health, wealth and prosperity. Happy birthday. Have a great day.
Hi Bhabhi, how are you? Here's wishing a very happy birthday to a vibrant, joyous and an ever smiling person. Yes, we have never met, but I could easily recognize that on the phone when we had a chat day before yesterday. So yes, that's that. Wishing you many more happy returns of the day and longing to see you soon. Bye.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Sadia. Happy birthday to you.
Many returns of the day, Sadia. Allah bless you with the choicest blessings and shower on you the best of best happiness and grace you with all the happiness, you and Rahman, and may your family grow, inshallah. So take care, have fun, Sadie, and always be happy like an Amul baby. Allah Hafiz.
Assalamu alaikum Sadia Appa. Wish you a very happy birthday. May Allah bless you with lots of happiness, success, long life, good health, wealth and may you be successful in all what you do. You're a very talented person, you're a very strong woman, and you have always been a loving person to all of us. You have taken so much good care of me like a mother. Whatever I like, you have always been a part of everyone's happiness, and we all love you. I'm so blessed to have a sister like you. May Allah bless you and Bhaijan, Rahman Bhaijan. You have been blessed with such a lovely husband. May Allah keep you both always happy. My duas are always with you both. Ameen, Summa Ameen. Please take good care of you both. And once again, a very, 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 very happy birthday. Have a blast day. Enjoy your day. Ameen. Assalamu alaikum.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Sari Baji, and Allah bless you always. Allah gives you always happiness. Happy birthday. And I love you so much. You're the best, Baji. You brought everything for me. Happy birthday once again.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to the unicorn of our family. Happy birthday to you. God bless you. Stay healthy and enjoy your life.
Hi, Sadie. Happy birthday to you. Wishing you a very good health, happiness, and stay strong.
Happy birthday, Sariappa. We miss you. Come soon. Have a nice day.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Sadie. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Sadie. Allah bless you a long life, a healthy and happy life. May all your dreams come true. May you stay blessed, always happy, sharing love with each other as you always do. You are very kind and loving, and you have been caring a lot for everybody. Stay the same, Sadie. Share love and stay happy always. Today is a special day for you. You are just not a sister, a lovely sister, but also a lovely friend too. We share so many things together. We grew up sharing love for each other as taught by our mommy and daddy. And same, we grow older, sharing love with each other. May our love and bonding be together till we live, till we get older together. Today is a very special day for you, Sadie. I can only say that we are proud that you are my sister, our sister, and we always share love with each other. Allah bless you all very much, you and Rahman. Stay happy, enjoy yourself, share love with each other, and stay happy, Sadie. Happy birthday again.
Sadie Khala. Say happy birthday, Nani. Say happy birthday. Yeah, clap. Very good. Happy birthday. Say happy birthday. Very good. Give a kiss. Give flying kiss. Happy birthday.
Assalamu alaikum, Sadie. On this special day, Sadhu, may Allah bless you His bountiful of blessings. May He always keep you happy. May Allah bless His world's happiness to you and Rahman. May you have the best of health. May you have all your dreams and wishes come true. We are lucky that you are a lovely sister to us. You are a beautiful person, beautiful soul, beautiful heart. Sadhu, stay always like this. We love you so much. Mummy and Daddy have always kept us like this together. MashaAllah. And we always will stay like this together. May Allah bless our Mummy Jannat al-Firdaus. Give our Daddy long and happy life with best of health. You're very nice, Sadhu. You take care of yourself. Take care of Rahman. And always Allah bless you with all His happiness. and His choicest blessing and best of health and prosperity on you, Sadi. Take care. Assalamu alaikum. Ameen. Summa ameen.
Assalamu alaikum, Sadia. You're not Sadi anymore, you're Sadia from today. On this day, I will not wish you, but my duas were there and will always be there for you. You had a wonderful and adorable mother who always prayed for your happiness and well-being. You have loving sisters who were always wished and thought the best of things for you. Now for a piece of advice, please say your namaz every day and remember Allah much, who has always blessed you with the best of things and a wonderful and caring husband who has always stood by you and loves you. Take care of him and yourself. May Allah always bless you both with the best of health, happiness and prosperity. May you both live a long and happy married life together. Ameen.